Hello, welcome to a Getting Started video. Today, we cover the ASCE Library. We'll go over how to access the database, what's in it, and how to do an advanced search. Let's get started. Go to the Purdue Library website at lib.purdue.edu to locate our A to Z list of databases. You'll find the ASCE Library there. The ASCE Library is curated by the American Society of Civil Engineers. It's the top content collection for both practitioners and researchers in civil engineering. It covers more than 200,000 technical and professional articles across 34 ASCE journals, content presented at over 750 civil engineering conferences, 550 plus ebooks, technical standards. Here's the main page. You can explore the content by type. For example, you could browse journal tables of contents. Near the top of the page, you'll find links to the basic search and advanced search. We recommend doing an advanced search to get better results. Here's the advanced search interface. It allows you to search for multiple terms and keywords. It then allows you to pick where you're looking for each term. We'll do an example with Power User Pro Tips. In the first empty box, type green building, quotation marks, search only for the exact phrase. In the next empty box, type access. If we also want to look for related words like accessibility, we'll input an asterisk, a star. This is a truncation character. We'll then limit our search to an exact date range. January 2021 to March 2024. Here are the results. We can sort the findings. We could use filters on the left to narrow our findings even more. For example, technical papers. We'll look at one of the articles. The abstract gives an overview of the article. The full text is available further down the page. There are options you can explore. For example, you can view the article in PDF format. You can view the number of times the content has been downloaded or cited. There are more options to explore on your own. Share the article, look at tables in the article, etc. Now you know how to access the ASCE library, what's in it, and how to do an advanced search. For more information, visit the Parish Library homepage. If you have questions, contact the Parish Library. Thank you.